Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Misho and we are on Mimi's Spot, a place for beauty, fashion, lifestyle, DIY and of course social media tips. Today's video is an eyebrow tutorial. I'm really excited to show you guys how to make or draw an easy eyebrow. So let's go right into the video. So first, before you start your eyebrows, of course you need to trim your eyebrows. That's the first thing, guys, we want to do before we draw our eyebrows, because whenever you make your eyebrows or draw your eyebrows, when they're not trimmed, you never get the right shape. So you better shape those eyebrows in the way you want them to look like before you start drawing them. That's a very important aspect in achieving that perfect eyebrow. So in trimming my eyebrows, I use this trimmer. I use this eyebrow trimmer. You can get these ones in drugstores, or you can use a razor, or you can use anything that you use to trim your eyebrows, but you need to trim your eyebrows before you start anything. And then you need an angle brush. It looks like that, in that shape. My angle brush has this other side of the brush, and that's the side that I'm going to be using to clean off the concealers afterwards. So you need a brush to blend your concealer also. And then you also go on and need a spoolie. You need eye pencils. I have two pencils, a brown one and a black one. So it's preference if you want to just make an eyebrow with a brown eye pencil, or you want to make it with two pencils. You need your concealer. I have the Studio Pro concealer, and I also have the MAC concealer. So I've not yet decided what I would use. I haven't used the Studio Pro concealer before to conceal my eyebrows. I actually have lots of numbers here, so I'm not even sure which one matches properly with my skin. So I've not yet chosen if I'm gonna conceal my eyebrow with that, or I'll conceal it with my normal concealer. This is what I've been using, and I really love that. I love that concealer. It's NW45, and it's really a nice one. So I might use the MAC or the Studio Pro. I'll let you know. And then I'll need, of course, a small mirror that I'm gonna be using to see what I'm doing. So with all that stated, let's of course start with the eyebrow. So I'm gonna get my trimmer. My eyebrow is actually not too bad. I trimmed it some time back, so it's not really too bad, but I'm just gonna go in and shape it a little bit just to show you, but I wouldn't really want to trim it a lot because it doesn't look too bad at the moment. But let's go on and do it. That's why we're here. Okay, so I think that's okay. I'm now gonna go on and outline my other shape of my eyebrow. I'm gonna go in with a black eye pencil. Before I draw my eyebrows, I'm gonna give you guys a tip. If you're a beginner and you don't know how to, you don't have that stable hand to make one long line like that, of course make sure that at least you go in with the short strokes. That will help you a lot. Use short strokes, and that will make drawing the eyebrow very easy. What I mean with short strokes is this: you start from the center of your eyebrow and you draw going backwards in short strokes. So then afterwards you come down to the front of your eyebrows, but you continue going in with just the short strokes. So we're gonna go on and do the same with the upper part. We start from the center. and come like that. We go down to our tail. And then we're gonna come with short strokes and join the tail to this curve. So like that. And then we're gonna do the same thing with this eye. Don't forget to short stroke. And then we connect that point. So we bring this upper line a little bit forward, but not of course to the front or to the beginning of the eyebrow, because we want the beginning of the eyebrow to be as natural as possible. So that's how our eyebrow looks like. Actually, this tail looks a little bit thicker. Looks a little bit thicker than the other tail. I'm gonna get this brown pencil and use it to fill in the eyebrow, or to spread the line I drew on the outside as my outline. So I'm gonna mix it up with the brown eye pencil, so I get a little bit of thickness. Like, I'm also filling in with short strokes. If you can see clearly, I'm not like going in at once and rubbing everything or spreading everything at once. I'm really trying to go in with short strokes because it's a very, very easy way to draw your eyebrow. So at the front here, I'll make my short strokes a little bit like going upwards in this direction. So that's what we have right now, and we're gonna go on with our concealer. So for our concealer, like I said, we'll need that angle brush, and that's what we're gonna take in. I hope you guys can see it clearly and properly. And my angle brush, of course, has another brush this side that is used to clean off the concealer, so you need some brush like that. If not, you'll have to use your fingertips. I'm not certain if I should try this Studio Pro concealer with my eyebrows. I'm really not certain because I'm not sure if the color is matching. Let me first test it on my hand and see if the color is matching. I don't know, I'm not sure. I'm gonna try that so I see. Oh my god, this looks way too bright. So I go on with my normal concealer that I normally use. I go in with my So I told you, if you're really not an expert in drawing straight lines on the eyebrows, you go in normally with short stroking, and it will also help you. So it's the same thing with the concealer. You can also go in with short strokes. I think the Studio Pro concealer made my concealer really much more bright, because the MAC concealer is bright than my skin. I'm gonna take enough concealer and spread it on the outside of my eyebrow, just below my eyebrow. And then using the short stroke method I told you guys, I'm gonna go on and draw to the back. So go on and blend it in properly, blend it really properly. So we're gonna go on with this upper part of my eyebrow now. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna spread my concealer all around, like above my eye, and then I go in with short stroking to the tails, short stroking to the front, and then we'll be done. When you're drawing your eyebrow, make sure that you follow the eyebrow shape you made or the eyebrow shape of your natural eyebrows, especially when you're trimming your eyebrows. Try to follow the natural shape of your eyebrows to trim your eyebrows in that same shape. That's basically how I draw my eyebrows. I really don't want like making them so dramatic or something extra. I think I need some powder. So I'm not really going to put on makeup because it's late in the evening. I'm not going anywhere, but so just to give my eyebrows a little bit of a finished look, I'm just going to put on a little powder, my MAC fixer, so it looks blended in properly. So I don't know what you guys think about the eyebrows, but I definitely love them. I love how they came out. So let's meet in the comment section below. You guys, let me know what you think about the eyebrows. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it or find it interesting. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you're watching for the first time. Let's see us in my next video. I love you all and peace. I sign out till my next video. Stay safe.